Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the easiest and the best watermelon slushie. All you need is 1 pack of Kool-Aid. You can choose whatever flavor you want, and lemonade. I'm using the one with raspberry, and you're going to add the Kool-Aid pack into the lemonade, and then after that you are just going to shake just like that until you reach the color that you desire. In this case, I wanted like a sunset orange color. And then you're going to cut your watermelon. Also, you're going to need ice. I mean, a lot of ice. Just like that. And you're going to add it into your blender. Also, you're going to add the watermelon cubes into the blender and add your lemonade mixture. And then also you're going to just blend really well until you reach this consistency. Look at this, guys. It looks so refreshing. And then you're gonna add your watermelon cubes on the side with some lemon for that, you know, tropical vibe. And then I'm also adding some Trolleys candy. I don't know why, but I saw this on TikTok one day and I'm like hooked, and my kids are hooked to this. And that's it, guys. Very delicious watermelon slushie. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I can't wait to see you next time for another recipe. Bye bye.